How to build a conditional access policy in 60 seconds. What if you could secure your Microsoft 365 tenant in under 1 minute? Conditional access is Microsoft Entra's way of controlling who gets access, when they get it, and under what conditions. Most identity attacks happen because access controls were never properly enforced. Let's fix that. Open the Microsoft Entra Admin Center, navigate to Protection, then select Conditional Access. Create a new policy. Target all users, always exclude your break-glass account, and select Microsoft 365 as the cloud app. Next, define your conditions, such as location, device platform, or sign-in risk. Now, choose your access control. Require multi-factor authentication. Before enabling the policy, start in report-only mode. Review the results, then switch the policy on. And just like that, your tenant is protected. Follow Moonlight Academy for Azure Security, simplified in 60 seconds.